And banking on brand, Narendra Modi is likely to pay rich dividends for the BJP in Haryana as well, where it is also said to be the single largest party. An average of exit polls suggests the BJP looks good to win 45 of the 90 seats in Haryana, just one shy of a majority.
Haryana's epic battle turning into a literal street fight as members of rival political parties clashed with each other on a day the state turned out in strength to elect its next government. In Sirsa, an INLD party worker shot and injured. In Hisar, clashes between the INLD and the HJC turned violent, with rioters setting several motorcycles on fire.
BJP had alleged that rigging is going on here in favor of the INLD candidates, and you can see a lot of police force here, a lot of cops here, a lot of crowds standing here, and they are protesting against BJP candidates' presence here at the polling booth.
And not just violence, but also novel ways of rigging. Party agents inside this polling booth in Ghata village in Gurgaon deciding for voters who they should be voting for. It was only after the media arrived that the election officials decided to call extra policemen. With high stakes, all major political parties have been aggressively campaigning in the state. Incumbent Chief Minister Huda, whose government has been plagued by allegations of corruption and facing an anti-incumbency wave, tried to play it cool, even taking time out for a game of badminton.
Traditionally, the INLD and the Congress have been the main contenders. But with a confident BJP, it's a three-cornered fight. Voting is decided on a few major considerations like caste, employment that's not farming, and then development.
I've never seen a Prime Minister coming to a small state like Haryana addressing 11 public meetings. It seems as if he is contesting for the Chief Ministership of Haryana.
We'll get over 55-56 seats and we'll form a government in the single majority in the state.
Narendra Bhai Modi canvassing over the past 15 days. He's addressed, I think, 11 rallies all over the state. That has also helped. We are quite hopeful that we'll get a majority on our own.
The aggressive campaigning seems to have paid off, with over 70% of voters in Haryana coming out to vote.
पंजाबी एकता जिंदाबाद हो जाए और इसको पंजाबी फैक्टर को ज्यादा स्थान दे.
हमने अपना घर का मुख्यमंत्री बनाना चाहते क्यों चौधरी रोहतक की होनी चाहिए हमारे एरिया का मुख्यमंत्री रहना चाहिए.
Gurgaon, we all aware it's a great city, but it's got very I would say bad infrastructure.
While it's been a high-stakes and highly intensive campaign for Haryana, marred by a few incidents of violence, Haryana has turned out in strength to cast a vote. But we'll just have to wait till the 19th of this month to know what that result will be. With Anchal Vora and Anand Patel in Gurgaon, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.